Join us for a Ramadan experience like no other at Darfur Restaurant in Tel Aviv. Embark on a culinary journey to Sudan as we proudly introduce the traditional Asida dish to our Ramadan menu. Asida, a beloved staple of Sudanese cuisine, is a hearty porridge-like dish made from sorghum flour, cooked to perfection, and served with a variety of savory toppings. As you step into Darfur Restaurant, you'll be greeted by the warm ambiance of our authentic Sudanese décor, setting the stage for an unforgettable dining experience. Whether you're breaking your fast with family, friends, or colleagues, our spacious dining area provides the perfect setting for communal gatherings and cherished moments. Our skilled chefs meticulously prepare each Asida dish with care and precision, ensuring that every bite is bursting with flavor and authenticity. From tender lamb stew to aromatic vegetable curries, our diverse selection of toppings caters to every palate and preference. As you indulge in the rich flavors of Sudanese cuisine, immerse yourself in the spirit of Ramadan with our special offerings, including refreshing beverages like hibiscus tea and traditional desserts such as baklava and basbousa. At Darfur Restaurant, we believe in the power of food to bring people together, fostering unity and creating lasting memories. Join us this Ramadan as we celebrate the spirit